foot to the floor.
Morning dear students, yesterday we had covered exercise 3.1 and today we will start exercise 3.2. So in this question, so the first question is we have to find the exterior angle which is x. We have to find the value of x which is an exterior angle of a polygon which is a triangle. So as we study in previous class, the exterior angle property is that sum of all the exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So we have 1, 2, 3 exterior angle where x is unknown, the measurement of x is unknown. So the sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So 125 plus 125, these both angles are there, and next is x is equal to 360. 125 and 125 is equal to 250 and x is repeated is equal to 360 degree. So 250 will be transferred from LHS to RHS, from positive integer to negative integer, and 250 will be subtracted from 360 and we get the value of x is equal to 110. So this is the solution. So the next question is, here also we have to find the exterior angle x. We have to find the value of the x in this figure, and we can see that here x angle is there 60 degree, 70 degree, and here is it is the notation of a right angle because completely L is making here. So this is equal to 90 degree and similarly it is also equal to the 90 degree. So by the exterior angle sum property, all the exterior angle, sum of all the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree of any polygon. So 90 plus 60, 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360. The sum of 90, 60, 90 and 70 is equal to 310 degree and x is repeated is equal to 360 degree. 310 will be transferred from LHS to RHS, from positive to negative, and 310 will be subtracted from 360 and we get x is equal to 50 is the answer. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. We have to find the measurement of each exterior angle if the number of sides are given of a polygon. So as we know that the total measurement of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree and the number of sides are given in the question is 9. So the measurement of each exterior angle will be 360 divided by 9 is equal to 40. So the 40 degree is the measurement of each exterior angle of a polygon. So similarly the second one is, in this polygon there are 15 sides. So the sentence will be the same, all the 3 lines will be the same, and here you have to put the 15 in the place of 9 as you can see here. Now you have to divide 360 by 15 and you will get 24 as an answer. So in this question, question number 3, we have to find the number of sides if the measurement is given. So in this question, the measurement of each exterior angle is given and which is equal to 24. Each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree and we have to find that how many sides are there in that particular regular polygon. So as we know that sum of all exterior angle of the polygon is equal to 360 degree and in this question it is given measurement of exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. So the number of sides of the regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by 24 is equal to 15 sides. So in this question the measurement is given and in previous question the sides are given. 15 sides are given in the previous question and 24 degree is given in this question. So these are just opposite. In that question we have to find the measurement of the angle and in this question we have to find the number of sides. In this question the interior angle is given which is 165 degree. Firstly we have to find the exterior angle. So as we know that the linear pair property, this is, suppose that this is exterior angle and this is interior angle. So interior is given 165. So what is the measurement of the exterior angle? As we know that it is making a linear pair, that means straight angle 180 degree. So firstly we have to subtract 165 degree from 180 degree, then we get 15 degree, and 15 degree is the exterior angle of that particular polygon. After that, as we know that the exterior angle sum property is 360. That means sum of all exterior angle of a particular polygon is equal to 360 degree. Now we have to find the number of sides. So number of sides will be 365, the total measurement of exterior angle, divided by measurement of each exterior angle, and we get 24 side is the answer. Question. In this question it is given that is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. So we have to tell in this question that is it possible if we have 22 degree exterior angle, so the polygon is possible or not. So let's read the theory. The sum of all exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree, as we know that, and we had used in previous questions. So also in a regular polygon each exterior angle is same. Suppose that this is a square and these are the exterior angles. If the polygon is regular, that means equal sides and equal angles, so each exterior angle will be same, and hence 360 degree is a perfect multiple of the given exterior angle, then the polygon will be possible. So each exterior angle is equal if the polygon is regular. That means if the exterior angle will divide perfectly 360, then the polygon will be possible. So in this question we have 22 degree exterior angle. 22 degree exterior angle. So we have to tell that is it possible to have a polygon which have 22 degree exterior angle. Because of 360 degree is not a perfect multiple of 22 degree. Hence such polygon is not possible. Why? 22 is not dividing 360 perfectly. That's why it is not possible to have a polygon, to have a regular polygon with the exterior angle equal to 22 degree. So now in previous question we have to tell that if the polygon is possible if we have the exterior angle is equal to 22 degree. Now in this question if we have interior angle is equal to 22 degree, so is the polygon is possible or not? So in this question interior angle is given. Firstly we have to find exterior angle. So exterior angle is 180 minus 22 is equal to 158 degree. Only because of that interior and exterior angle is making a linear pair. That's why it is subtracted from 180. So such a polygon is not possible as 360 is not a perfect multiple of 158. That means 158 is the exterior angle and 158 cannot be divided the 180 perfectly. That's why it is not possible to have a regular polygon having interior angle 22 degrees Celsius. That's all the question. So the next question is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? So we have to tell in this question what is the number of the what is the minimum interior angle, measurement of minimum interior angle for a regular polygon. So let's read the solution of this question. Consider a regular polygon having minimum number of sides. As we know that triangle is the figure which having only 3 sides. That means it is the minimum number of polygon is used in that particular figure, which is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is the regular polygon which is having minimum number of sides, which is 3. So measurement of each exterior angle of an equilateral triangle, each exterior angle, so total exterior angle is 360 degree, sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree, and the number of side in equilateral triangle is 3. So when we divide it, we get 120 degree. So 120 degree is the exterior angle of a equilateral triangle. And if 120 is the exterior angle, so what is the interior angle? Just subtract it from 180 and we get the measurement of interior angle, because interior and exterior both are making a linear pair. That's all the question. And one more thing is there, in the second number question it is asking that what is the minimum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. What is the minimum exterior angle? So this is the minimum interior angle, that means this is the minimum exterior angle. So 120 is the solution of the question number 6th B. That's all the question. Friends, today we had covered the exercise 3.2. Solve each and every question in your rough copy and try to solve by yourself. If you have doubt, then as many as times you can revise, you have to do it. From tomorrow we will start exercise 3.3. Thank you.